Existing garage, which we've always had. In the backyard we had a fence, which is still repurposed now, but it used to go straight to the house. Obviously we took that out so we could create our little cement driveway here. I didn't want to spend the money on the labor to dig up the old walkway, so hence the difference in color of cement. I'll take care of that later. So now you can see, as you come to the back of the house, we got the 2-car garage, and now we have a 1-car under with a 6 foot by probably 16-foot deck off of it to close in underneath and give me my carport, as I like to call it, the stable for the Mustang. And I'll open that up a little bit for you. And now you can see we got a stone patio here as well. And so now we can do our little fire pit down below, and then up above Cindy has set us up really well with an outdoor heater, table, bar stools. Very nice, so we're good. And then most importantly, I saved almost $400 a month on storage for the Mustang, and it's here. I don't have to go anywhere to work on it. Eventually we'll get this heated, but you can see what they've done here to make sure that we have, no rain. I'm going to insulate this a little and paint it inside. The rest is finished with blue board all around. So we got my little workshop going. Just started putting stuff away today. They literally just finished yesterday. So all this has to be refinished. But I'll open the door here and show you. We have a full garage basically. And the Mustang fits quite nicely in there, obviously. He'll be here year-round, and we've got a nice little space above for this year with COVID. So that's it. That's what we spent our money and time doing largely this year, and God am I glad it's over.